All right, class, a lot of introductory stuff here. This is the second to last video we'll do. We'll do something about xyzhomework.com on the final one here, and that will be your introductory to the class, introduction to the class. But let's go for it here. So I want to introduce you to Canvas. We're going to do lectures and how we do notes, and then how do you complete your homework is going to be at the xyzhomework.com stuff. All right, so this is the home page. You should notice underneath here there's a whole complete list of stuff to do here. So this is the whole entire course. I haven't got through chapter 10 yet, but as you progress through each one of these pieces, you should be able to get things done here. So first things first, it will tell me if you clicked on it or not. So that's a good thing for me to know kind of where people are. All right, and as you progress, I think I've put everything in here that you need to see in here. So first things first is the Canvas site. Let's do that first. Even though you have assignments here, assignments are the same thing that are into here. I would just use the home page and do it that way. All right, file menus, I've integrated that as well. But over here, there are lecture notes here. And you have them on the module list on the home page already here. But these are the lecture notes for the class. Okay, I'll talk to you about it, but if you want to see all of them at the same time, you can see them right here. During the semester, what I'll do is I'll post a study guide to the midterm, and I'll post a study guide to the final, as we have those. So you have, should be, in a semester, there should be 3 things here as well. Okay, syllabus, you probably already went through the video on the syllabus. There it is. And there's an introductory video to it as well. All right, conferences and Confer Zoom. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. So this is for the office hours, or we might just use Skype. I'm not sure which one's going to be the best. I have to determine that, and I'll send you guys an email about that. Office 365, yes, you do have tools to Office 365. I can't use them because I'm not technically a student. I don't have a student account, but I think you have a little login that you can log into it and try. Maybe let me try. Let me see what happens here. Authentication went wrong. Okay, but you guys, I think you guys have access to a web version of Word, Excel, and other stuff there. All right, and then NetTutor. This is a program that has been paid for every single student that goes to West Hills College Kalinga, and it has a. Let me just show it to you here. So when you click on here, again, I don't have a student account, but I have the webpage. What happens here goes to here. And so basically this is an online tutoring program offered to West Hills College students, and you have a certain amount of hours that you can use up. I think it's 40 hours per semester. So you have 40 hours that you can get on tutoring from anything in this area here. So if you're taking a biology class, you can actually click on here, and you have a biology class that you can get help with. For us, it's going to be the algebra class right here. When you click on it, there's 3 different options that you can choose from. You can meet with the live tutor. Now, every single tutor here has at least a bachelor's degree. So you have at least a bachelor's degree person that's able to help you with that. You can click on, wait for a live tutor real quick here, and a person will come on and he'll tutor you in that subject. And then all your sessions are taped for feedback. So then if you do this, you'll have some sessions that you can look back to and see again if you get confused again. So that's one piece. The other piece is you can drop off a question. So you have a question, you're not necessarily going to wait for someone here. You say, this is my problem, and then you'll have an answer. I think it's within 24 hours. They'll answer that. And that's it. So there's kind of 2 different ways. This is the online tutoring. All right. There's also tutoring in the library. So if you are close to the Kalinga campus, if you're taking other classes and you're taking this one online because it didn't just meet your schedule, please stop by the library. There are good student tutors there, peer tutors, that will be willing to help you as well. If you come on a consistent basis, they get to know you. It's also a good thing there too. All right, so there's that. I'm going to skip that because that should not be on there in the first place here. So back to the home page. I've tried to put everything on here so it's just clear and concise and everything ready to go. So Notes. How do you do notes? You click on this little guy here. It's going to pop up a kind of just a, this is a preview. What you want to do is you want to download this. So this is your notes for chapter 1. Click on that. It's going to pop up. You want to open it up in an Adobe Reader or Adobe. And once you do that, you can print this out. This is going to be the notes that you're going to use so that you can keep up with the lecture that I have set up on the YouTube channel. So notice it's all the stuff, and then you got to fill in this as you listen to the lecture. So can you factor 72 into product prime numbers? I guess we'll see. All right, so you download that, then you go back to, or you can click the next if you like. And then you're going to watch a video. Now, for some reason, the encoding on this here doesn't allow you to actually watch the video inside this little picture-in-picture. So when you click on it, you're going to click this little external tool. So you're going to watch my video for 1.4. Now, these have been recorded by me. And if you want to do full screen, might as well do full screen on here. These are lectures that I've done in the classroom itself, as opposed to just dividing by. Let me go back to here. And let me hit the
only section in chapter 1 that we're going to cover is 1.4. And again, it's just dealing with factoring. That's the thing that it's really a summary of Math 63. It's the so if you got to factoring, which we'll see.
All right, so this is my lecture, and you kind of notice the background noise here. This is a class. This is me teaching this class in a face-to-face setting, and I'm just recording. So this will be your lecture notes. Let me go to what we did over here. So there's your factoring to 72.
If anything here, I did it just by how the book did it here. So 72 is really 2 times 36. 36 break down into 6 times 6. And each of the 6's break down to 2 and 3. And then what we do is we gather all the 2's together. So we say 2 to the...
All right, so there's my lecture. Again, it's just what I did in the classroom. That's all it is. Let me get out of here. And go back to this piece here. All right, so you can click on over here, and you've watched it, and now you're ready to complete the homework. And so go down here, complete the homework, and all this is just just a link to the XYZ homework page. So you can work through here if you want to. Notice it's you can click to our class, and you can work inside Canvas if you want to, and you can do all the work inside Canvas so you don't actually have to leave the Canvas site at all. So you can do all the work here if you like. Also, if you want to just go to XYZ homework, you can just click on the up arrow and you can be right there as well. So this one gets you all that you need right there. So now you're in this right here. So you can do it again inside the Canvas piece or a separate external web page. There it is. And I do have another video on xyzhomework.com specifically for that. Okay, so there it is. I think I've laid it out as simple as possible. If you still don't understand what's happening here, why, what's going on, tell me, and I'll try to explain it a different way here.